Here are the top 10 COVID cleaning tips for the week. Number 1, your toilet should be considered a cesspool of everything evil. The best method for keeping a clean toilet is to replace it with a new toilet following every use. Number 2, sanitize your preserved foods. Drain all liquids from your canned fruits and vegetables. Replace the liquid with vodka and serve hot over cottage cheese or with an active culture yogurt. Number 3, before you submit your next Facebook or social media post, reread it 3 times to be sure it has absolutely no chance of going viral. Number 4, after you shower, wash your soap. Better yet, boil your soap after it touches you in your nether regions. Number 5, dinnerware should be treated like Greek wedding plates and smashed. Consider throwing your plates into a roaring fireplace. Knives, forks, and spoons should be smelted. Number 6, an acetylene torch and a remote control robot are recommended for burning your clothing, used face masks, and PPEs. Number 7, if you've used your washer and dryer to clean potentially infected outerwear or underwear, C4 is the recommended explosive for destroying those now absolutely contaminated machines. Number 8, give your mother a call. Tell her your room is finally clean. She should then recommend that you do it again. Number 9, if you're planning to visit a restaurant, barbershop, theater, or any other place where you may sit down, wash your ass for 20 seconds, both before your arrival and after your departure. Number 10, this tip goes hand in hand with rule number 9. Have a substantial stockpile of Preparation H on hand, in case you decide to follow the ill-gotten idea of washing your ass with Clorox. Stay safe, work smart.